Dive into the captivating realm of space in this expansive 4,000-word exploration. From the mesmerizing beauty of distant galaxies to the intricate dance of celestial bodies, we unveil the secrets of the universe. Discover the science behind black holes, the formation of stars, and the mysteries of dark matter. Join us on this enlightening journey through the cosmos, where every word paints a picture of the vast, awe-inspiring universe that surrounds us. Although early conceptions of spaceflight usually depicted streamlined spacecraft, streamlining has no particular advantage in the vacuum of space. Actual vehicles are designed with a variety of shapes depending on the mission. The first spacecraft, the Soviet Union's Sputnik 1, was launched on October 4, 1957. It weighed 83.6 kilograms, 184 pounds. It was soon followed by other unmanned Soviet and U.S. spacecraft and, within 4 years, April 12, 1961, by the first manned spacecraft, Vostok 1, which carried the Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. Since then, numerous other manned and unmanned craft have been launched to increase scientific knowledge, augment national security, or provide important services in areas such as telecommunications and weather forecasting. Written and fact-checked by. A spacecraft could help find life on a Jovian moon. Spacecraft, vehicle designed to operate, with or without a crew, in a controlled flight pattern above Earth's lower atmosphere. Telstar 1 American-built Telstar 1 communications satellite, launched July 10, 1962, which relayed the first transatlantic television signals. Key people: Theodore von Karman, Sergei Korolyov, Konstantin Feoktistov. Related topics: Rocket Unidentified Flying Object, Earth Satellite, Spy Satellite, Space Probe. On the web, IOP Science, Journal of Physics, Conference Series, a spacecraft designed for Mars Water Survey, October 04, 2024. Although early conceptions of spaceflight usually depicted streamlined spacecraft, streamlining has no particular advantage in the vacuum of space. Actual vehicles are designed with a variety of shapes depending on the mission. The first spacecraft, the Soviet Union's Sputnik 1, was launched on October 4, 1957. It weighed 83.6 kilograms, 184 pounds. It was soon followed by other unmanned Soviet and U.S. spacecraft and, within 4 years, April 12, 1961, by the first manned spacecraft, Vostok 1, which carried the Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. Since then, numerous other manned and unmanned craft have been launched to increase scientific knowledge, augment national security, or provide important services in areas such as telecommunications and weather forecast. Discovery liftoff, 1985 U.S. Space Shuttle Orbiter Discovery lifting off from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida on its third mission, January 24, 1985. Also visible in the image are its attached external tank, orange, and one of its 2 solid fuel boosters. Astronomy and space quiz. Most spacecraft are not self-propelled. They depend on the initial velocity provided by a launch vehicle, which separates from the spacecraft when its task is done. The spacecraft typically either is placed into an orbit around Earth or, if given sufficient velocity to escape Earth's gravity, continues toward another destination in space. The spacecraft itself often carries small rocket engines for maneuvering and orienting in space. The lunar module, the manned moon landing vehicle used in the Apollo program, had rocket engines that allowed it to soft land on the moon and then return its crew to the Lunar Orbiting Command Module. The latter craft, in turn, carried sufficient rocket power in its attached service module to leave lunar orbit for the return journey to Earth. The U.S. Space Shuttle Orbiter uses 3 onboard liquid fuel engines supplied by a disposable external tank and a pair of solid fuel boosters to reach space.